Hi, it's Dr. Lau here. Almost everybody is talking about data science, and Harvard Business Review actually named data scientist the sexiest job of the 21st century. So today, we're going to talk about, is data science easy for beginners, and how do you start learning and implementing data science? Well, data science can be easy if you understand how to tackle the challenges with the right approaches. And here are the three things that you should keep in mind. Number one, learn technical skill and gain domain knowledge. Now, the first thing that you need for data science is actually to learn the technical skills. The two main technical skills that you need are programming and the SQL. Programming is to help us to handle repetitive tasks. For example, scripting comments and reviews for 10,000 products on Shopee, or analyze the sentiments of tweets from Donald Trump's account. Now, you will also need to know SQL, which is a language for us to interact with the database to perform actions like create tables, insert data, retrieve and update data. But the key here is the domain knowledge. If you don't have enough domain knowledge, you will not be able to identify the root cause of the business problem that a company is trying to solve. A good domain knowledge will also help you to identify where to find the data that you need and also analyze the data collected for the specific domain. Number two, don't try to learn everything at once. Whenever you speak with a senior data scientist, you realize that they have a wide range of skills, from massaging data, visualizing data, building machine learning models, and some even know how to analyze unstructured data like text and images. But the truth is, they don't learn those skills and then only become data scientists. They slowly build up and pick up those skill sets along the way, and by spending years working on different real-world projects. So when you first learn data science, learn it in the T-shaped form. Aim for the broad understanding and then focus on picking up 1 to 2 skills that really matter. And how do you identify skills that matter? Well, find those skill sets that you are genuinely interested and that will add value to your future career. Number 3, forget about big data. Pay attention to unstructured data. There were many talks going around that companies should focus on big data because in future, the data will grow exponentially. Big data vendors also start promoting the idea that you should invest in big data systems that companies like Facebook, Google are using. But the fact is, most companies in Malaysia are SMEs, and it will take them a long time before their data will hit that big data scale. Another essence of big data is actually not the volume, but the variety of the data. So my advice will be, look at unstructured data first. But I'm not kidding. Even professional data scientists might neglect the unstructured data sometimes. And the fact is, over 75% of the enterprise data are unstructured, and this data holds business insight that's untapped. If analyzing structured data is to be able to predict the future, then analyzing structured data is able to help you to explain the future. For example, you realize that the sales has dropped by 30% for the past 3 months. We can use reviews and comments collected from our e-commerce and social media to help us to understand why. Unstructured data is also proven to be able to improve customer experience, marketing intelligence, and also regulatory compliance. Now that you have learned how to tackle the challenges in data science, let's talk about the steps on how you can start learning data science. Step 1. Pick your area of focus. Think about your career goals and start picking 2 to 3 areas to focus on. For instance, if you want to become a data analyst, focus on how to retrieve data and how to use data visualizations to deliver an engaging presentation. If you want to become a data scientist, focus on how to explore data to discover unseen insights from the data and learn how to build predictive models for different types of data. Step number 2, get your hands dirty. Many beginners start in the situation where they lack experience working on practical problems and they don't know where to find real-world data. The best place to go is Kaggle.com. Kaggle is a data science community where you can find many real-world data sets for different industries, and most of them also come with sample codes from other data scientists, so you can learn from their train of thoughts and see how they tackle a particular data science problem. Number 3. Document your journey. Documenting a learning journey has proven to be an effective way to retain knowledge and amplify your learning experience. And the best way to do so for the data science professional is to build a portfolio. Well, while a resume matters, Having a public showcase of your skills where you can demonstrate to people what you are able to do is 10 times better than just by telling them. There's another pro tip that I would like to share with you before we end this video. The best way to learn is actually not by doing, but teaching. So once you have learned a new data science skill today, try to practice it by teaching it. Write a tutorial blog post, shoot a simple sharing video, or even just by sharing your learning experience on Facebook or LinkedIn. This is a good way to make sure that you have fully understood the topic and also you are able to identify any loophole while you are teaching. Which area of data science you would love to explore next? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.